Dear friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on when you are watching this video. During these times of social distancing, some of us are learning to use virtual communication more effectively. Without a doubt, this is a difficult time, unprecedented. So, first of all, I'd like to request you and your family to stay safe and healthy, use abundant caution, follow all the guidelines and directives issued by various authorities. Even on the professional front, this is not an easy time. Our own customers are going through their own set of challenges. These will manifest on us in one way or the other. So it is very important that we do some of these things. First, we keep laser sharp focus on the deliverables and the expectations that they have from us. Second, increase the frequency of communication with them. If there was a preset frequency with which we were communicating, my suggestion would be to increase it by 2-3 notches. Third, we need to do the same with our own teams. We need to stay connected. We need to have drum beats at a minimum at the start of the day and at the end of the day to take stock of the issues faced, where we are on the plan, and communicate as many times in the day as possible. Third, we ensure we don't lose even a single productive hour and hence bring in every dollar that is due to us in these times. I also believe difficult times come along with opportunities, so we need to keep our ears and eyes open and grab these opportunities, tweak our offerings and deliver value back to our customers. Towards this, I feel as an organization we have moved very fast. We have enabled close to 100% of our team to work from home productively. When I see some of our peers and larger IT organizations, they are a little behind. Possibly they will catch up. So we need to make this count for us. With this, I think we will be in good stead when this passes. Once again, I would like to request you and your family to stay safe and healthy.